Hello friends, today we will be discussing coin changing problem, minimum number of coins required under dynamic programming. So friends, let us first discuss what is the problem. So we are given here coins of value 1, 2, 5 and 8, and we are given a sum of 9. So what we have to do is we have to make a sum of 9 from these available coins. Okay, so we have to make this sum of 9 with the minimum number of coins. Condition number 1 is minimum number of coins, and second is you can use a particular coin infinite number of times. Okay, so you can use coin number any number of times. Okay, so sum of 9 can be made up with 8 and 1 and 8 you can make sum of 9. Okay, so the number of coins required here are 2. Okay, so let us solve this problem using matrix. So we have number till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9, and in rows we have coins with value of whatever we have here is 1, 2, 5 and 8, 1, 2, 5 and 8. Okay, so friends, if we have sum of 0, we have to make sum of 0 with coin of value 1. Can we make sum of 0 with coin? So we cannot make. The value will be number of coins required will be 0. Okay, so in all these cases number of coins required will be 0. Okay, so sum of 2 with the coin of value 1. Okay, so how many coins will be required? Sum of 1 with coin of value 1. How many coins will be required? 1. Sum of 2 with the coin of value 1. How many coins will be required? 2 coins to make 2 coins of value 1 to make the sum of 2. Okay, so 2 coins. For 3 coins. 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now come here. Sum of 1 with a coin of value 1 and 2. This 2 will not be used, right? So we just copy value from above. Okay, so value 1 is less than 2, just copy value from above. Okay, so this 2 and 2 are equal. So what we have to do is we have to take minimum of either 2 or 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So minimum of 2, what we have to do is minimum of this value 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So in the same row we will take value of column 0, that is 0 plus 1. Okay, so what is the minimum value? Minimum is 1. Okay, now same way for 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, value at cell number 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So minimum of 2 and 3 is 2. Okay, so let's come to here. 4 is greater than 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Value at cell number 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minimum of 2 and 1 is 2 and 4 is 2. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Value at the cell number 3 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So minimum of 3 and 5 is 3. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is 4. Value at cell number 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minimum of 3 and 6 is 3. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5. Value at cell number 5 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minimum of 4 and 7 is 4. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6. Value at cell number 6 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minimum of 4 and 8 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. Value at cell number 7 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Minimum of 5 and 9 is 5. Okay, so since 1 is less than 5, so just copy value from above. Okay, now 5 and 5 are equal. 5 minus 5 is 0. Value at cell number 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Minimum of 1 and 3 is 1. Okay, so 6 minus 5 is 1. Value at cell number 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minimum of 2 and 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 plus 1, 7 minus 5 is 2. Value at cell number 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minimum of 2 and 4 is 2. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3. Value at cell number 3 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minimum of 3 and 4 is 3. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. Value at cell number 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minimum of 3 and 5 is 3. Okay, so 8, 1 is less than 8, so just copy. 2 is less than 8, just copy, come to 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Value at cell number 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Minimum of 1 and 3 is 1. Okay, 8 minus 9 is 1. Value at cell number 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minimum of 2 and 3 is 2. Okay, so what we are having here is the minimum number of coins which are required to make sum of 9 is 2. So we will write here 2. So let's backtrace and find which coins we have used. So this 2 is definitely not coming from above. Okay, so this 8 is included. Since this is not coming from above, this will be coming from 8 minus 9 1. Okay, this will be coming from here. This one is coming from above. We'll move up, we'll move up, we will move up. So this one is final, so this one is also included in answer. Okay, so this is the coins which are used to make sum of 9. Okay, so let's make the equation. If this C of I is less than from this S of J, then mat of I comma J is equal to just the value of cell above it, I minus 1 comma J. Okay, else mat of I comma J is equal to minimum of mat of I minus 1 comma J, the value of cell above it, and mat of I J minus C of I plus your 1. Okay, so whatever is the minimum in these two will be considered. So friends, thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.